Good morning students, welcome for today's e-learning session of Shri G. M. Primary School, Standard 5th, and the subject of the day is Social Science. So students, today we are going to start the 7th chapter of our syllabus, Grasslands of the Temperate Zone. So let's understand the chapter with the help of externals. Now what do you mean by grasslands? The lands full of grasses, as the name suggests. Now what is the temperate zone? So we have studied about this in chapter number 3rd, chapter number 3, the climate. Okay. So as per the chapter, the earth has been divided into 3 different zones: the torrid zone, temperate zone, and the frigid zone. The zone receiving the highest amount, the maximum amount of heat and light from the sun is the torrid zone, and the zone receiving moderate amount of heat and light from the sun, experience moderate climate, is the temperate zone. And the third one is the frigid zone, which doesn't receive the heat and light from the sun, or receiving the very less quantity. So climate there is the frozen. Okay, so it is called as a frigid zone. So let's jump about the chapter. So what is the objective of studying this chapter? The first objective is to understand the location of temperate grasslands in the world. Where do different temperate grasslands located in the world? So to learn about different temperate grasslands. Okay. Then to know about the climate, vegetation and wildlife of prairie region. So prairie region is one of the grasslands in the world. So we will go through this region in detail. Then to learn about the lifestyle of people and economic activities in the grasslands. How do people live there and spend their life for earning? To understand the ways prairies have evolved into a grain basket of the world. So which grain is grown there in large quantity and for which basket, world basket is there. Okay. So students, what do you mean by grasslands? So grasslands are nothing, those are just natural habitats that have been formed by nature. Those grasses are not grown by human being, but by nature it has been formed. Okay. And what are the grasslands? Again, those are the vast stretches of land area covered with tall grasses. Okay. And a few scattered trees. Now trees are very few in number because of the moderate climate. Okay. They cover more than 1/5 portion of the earth's surface. About 1/5 portion of the earth's surface is covered by the grasslands and mostly located in the temperate zone because of the moderate climate they experience. Now, grasslands are known by different names in different parts of the world. So, in North America, grasslands are called as the prairies. In South America, pampas. Steppes in Russia, veld in South Africa, downs in Australia, and savannas in Central Africa. Students, we have studied about savannas in the 4th chapter, that is the DRC. Now, vegetation and climate. So, which kind of vegetation and climate is there? So, see, prairies are a vast stretch of flat land covered by miles and miles of grass. It means the land full of grass. Okay, miles of prairies are covered with grass. So, grass is green in summer and brown in autumn. Which season is called as autumn? When trees shed their leaves. Okay, so soil of the prairies is very fertile because of humus present in the soil. So it is full of grasses. The land is full of grasses. Hence, humus is always present in the soil, and hence this soil is very fertile and fit for agriculture, and hence more of people live there. Okay, it is highly populated area. Prairies have hot summers and cold winters, and it receives moderate rainfall, which occurs mostly in summer. Okay, so summers are hot and winters are cold as usual, and moderate rainfall is there, resulting into moderate climate, and summer rainfall mostly occur in summer. Now agriculture, what do they grow? availability of plenty of water from Mississippi and Missouri rivers and their tributaries makes the soil fertile and perfect for agriculture. So as we have gone through the last slide, humus is present in large quantity in the soil, making it fertile. So it also receives plenty of water from Missouri and Mississippi rivers and the tributaries. So it is the perfect land for agriculture. This region is called the wheat basket of the world that we have understood in the objectives of the chapter. So why wheat basket? Because wheat is grown there in large quantity and in good quality. Even North America exports a large amount of wheat. Okay. So maize, barley, rye and oats and other main crops are also grown there. All the farm works are done with the help of machines. So farm workers along with their families also stay there in the grasslands. Now there are two kinds of grasslands. The one which are found in the tropical zone and one which lies in the temperate zone. So what do you mean by tropical grasslands? See, climate is extreme in tropical region, tropical zone, receiving highest amount of heat and light, resulting into maximum rainfall. Okay, so maximum rainfall occurs there. Hence, grasses are tall. Some grow more than 2 meters high. Okay, and mostly present in southern hemisphere. And for example, here it has been taken as Pampas, South America. Temperate grasslands. Temperate grassland is different from tropical grassland because it is less rain as compared to the tropical. It has shorter grasses, mostly found in the southern hemisphere, and example here has been taken as a prairie. Now rearing cattle. This is the occupation of the people living there. So the hilly regions of prairie regions are not so fertile. This area are called ranches. So what do people do there? Ranches are mainly used for cattle rearing, not for the agriculture purpose or the cattle rearing. Even earlier, thousands of bases were seen there, but now those are not seen. So cattle are raised for beef and dairy products. Why do they herd the cattle? They rear the cattle for the beef and the dairy products they give us. The city of Chicago is a center for slaughtering animals. Slaughtering means slaughtering house is the place where animals have been cut down. Okay. Ranches and slaughterhouses are equipped with modern machinery. So their animals have been processed. The beef has been processed with the help of modern machineries. So students, this was about the textbook. Now I am going to share a short clip from the extra maths with you. Enjoy it and go through it carefully.
Social Studies. Grasslands of the Temperate Zone. Grasslands are the large, open areas covered with long grasses. They cover almost more than 1/5 of the Earth's surface. Most of these grasslands are located in the temperate zone. Temperate grasslands are located in the mid-latitude. That is, they are located in the inner parts of the continents. Some major temperate grasslands of the world are the Vales in Africa, the Downs in Australia, the steppes in Central Asia, the prairies in North America, the Pampas in South America. Today, let us discuss about the prairies in the North America. The temperate grasslands, the prairies. Location: the temperate grasslands of North America, including the area of the United States, Canada, the temperate grasslands, the prairies. Location: the temperate grasslands of North America, including the area of the United States, Canada, and Mexico, are known as prairies. It includes all the Great Plains and interior parts of the USA. It is a region of tall grass up to 2 meters high. Due to extension of grasses, it is known as Ocean of Grass. The prairies are bound by the Rocky Mountains in the west and the Great Lakes in the east. The area is drained by the tributaries of Mississippi and Saskatchewan rivers in the USA and Canada respectively. Which type of physical features are found towards the west side of prairies? The prairies are bounded by Rocky Mountains in the west. Climate, soil, vegetation, wildlife, and occupation of prairies are quite distinctive. The climate of prairies is extreme, with huge variations in the temperatures. While the summers are excessively hot, the winters are extremely cold. The region gets moderate rainfall during summers and very heavy snowfall during winters. The southern prairies are highly prone to drought. The soil of the prairies is very fertile. Plenty of the water is available for agriculture because the prairies are drained by river Mississippi and its tributaries and the Great Lakes in the east. This is why the soil is extremely fertile and perfect for the production of wheat crop. In fact, due to its large swaths of prairie grasslands, the United States of America has become one of the largest producers of wheat in the world. This is why it is also known as the wheat basket of the world. Now, do you know what are these huge bins called and used for? Well, these huge bins are called silos, and they are used to store surplus wheat produced. Since the fertile areas of prairies are intensively cultivated, farmers produce plenty of wheat, which is sufficient not only for the whole country but can also be exported to the other parts of the world. Such huge amount of produce is therefore stored in these silos. The major crop of this area is maize. Other crops such as potatoes, soybean, cotton, and alfalfa are also grown. Grasses are suitable for cattle rearing. Large cattle farms called ranches are looked after by sturdy men called cowboys. Bison or the American buffalo is the most important animal of this region. It nearly got extinct due to its indiscriminate hunting. Now, it is a protected species. The other animals found in this region include American bald eagle, badger, bobcat, bumblebee, coyote, prairie dog, and swift fox. After having learnt about various physical features of prairies, let's now learn about the people, economy, and occupation of prairies. The prairies were home to other tribes like the Apache, the Crow, the Cree, and the Pawnee. The people of this region are very hardworking. They have successfully harnessed technology and scientific methods of agriculture in one of the most fertile land of the world. The use of modern tractors, harvesters, and combines has made the USA and Canada a surplus food producer. Therefore, this area is known as granaries of the world, dairy farming, and food processing, chicken ranches, feedlots, and huge vegetable farms are major industries of this region. Prairies contribute sustainably to the wind power in the North America, availability of coal and iron, and a good network of roads and via railways have made it most important industrial regions in the world. Now let's revise. Some major temperate zone grasslands of the world are the velds in Africa, the downs in Australia, the steppes in Central Asia, the prairies in North America, the pampas in South America. Prairies are located in the central part of North America. Prairies have extreme climate with excessively hot summers and extremely cold winters. Prairies are the largest wheat producing regions, also called the wheat basket of the world. Farming and cattle rearing are the two main occupations of the people in North America. The soil of prairies is fertile due to river Mississippi, its tributaries and the Great Lakes. The prairies were home to tribes like the Apache, the Crow, the Cree, and the Pawnee. The people of Prairies region has successfully harnessed technology and uses developed methods of agriculture. Thank you. Presented by Extra Marks.
So students, here we have come towards the end of today's e-learning session, and I hope that you have understood the chapter very well and it was interesting for you. So now go through the PDF file and complete your writing work and start learning for the exam. Okay students, we will meet in next e-learning session. Bye. Have a nice day.